Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another makeup video for you. So I have no idea what I'm going to do yet. I have a bunch of stuff here, but I haven't really decided what it's gonna look like or anything. So I'm just gonna kind of go the flow. So if you'd like to see what I end up making and look good, hopefully, then just keep watching. All right, I'm gonna start with the Farsali Unicorn Essences, and I'm just going to put this on my face, kind of as like priming it. But if you haven't used this is so good. Like it makes your skin. So this just like makes your face like not sticky, but like makes everything looks better. Alright, next I'm going to take the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I'm going to use another primer just because I just like this to look more like blurred. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. Put this basically everywhere on my face. Just that I want it to look more blurred. Alright, and then for foundation, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation, and I am in the color medium. And I'm just going to put this with my Sigma Kabuki in F89. And I'm just going to put this right on my face. So I haven't used this foundation in a hot minute, so I haven't used it in so long. So I don't know if it's still going to be like doing it well and how it works, but I think I used to love it, so I think this is going to be okay. Alright, next I'm going to use concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the color medium, and I am just going to put this on my eyes and put it normally where I do. So now this concealer, I think it kind of changes the color. I think it was lighter before, and then once you put it on your face, I think it gets darker. So you can see here, this one's like almost the same color now. So if you're gonna get this, just make sure that you get something even lighter than you thought you did, or that you thought you should have, because it does change the color. But it is a really good concealer. Then I'm just going to blend this here, and this is not wet, this is dry, because I'm too lazy to go over and get it wet. So this is just a dry one. I'm just gonna put this here. So looking at it, actually, I don't think I like that color. It's actually like, so if you're looking at this here, it looks like it's too dark. So, alright, so I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is just in the color Light. And I'm just going to put this one kind of exactly where I'm going, but I don't need that much. I just want it to be lighter. So I'm just adding a little bit to basically everything. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's basically everything. So much better. I wanna love that concealer so bad, but I don't know. I keep looking at like a couple times, like I've used it a couple times, and I want to love it so much, and the more I keep testing it and like trying it, the more I'm not liking it, which sucks. But it's just like it changes color so bad, like so bad. All right, and then taking my MAC Light Plus something, I don't know what it's called, but I'm taking this, and I'm just going to use this just to set everything. This is from Morphe. So as you guys know, I only have a couple things from Morphe that are brushes, but I really like this because it's nice and dense, and this is the G38, and I'm just setting everything. I like this just because it's like nice and hard. Like I like things that are nice and hard, just so I make sure that it's actually putting on my face. If it's something that's so like light and like things that like you're putting it in, like is it actually setting it or things? So I like to use things that are nice and hard. All right, going in my Tarteist Pro Glow, and I'm just going to use the one right here to contour, so right here. And I'm going to be using, if I knew which brush, I'm going to use this one, and this is the Sigma F05. F5. I just think it's such a good color, and it's just like, it blends really nice, and I just love it. Alright, so I think I'm going to use this palette. This is from Too Faced. It is so cute. Alright, so let's go with my Sigma E40, and I'm going to take this color and I'm going to kind of set it everything. It's got a little bit of color, but not a lot, so I'm just going to kind of set and then like put a little bit of color here. Next, I'm going to take the next color. Looks just like this. Same brush. I just love these colors. These are like the perfect thing for me. And I'm just put up the same spot. So I'm just blending it just a little bit darker. Alright, going to a smaller brush. This is the Sigma E25, and I am going to, I don't know yet. I think I'm going to take this color right here. So I'm just going to put it right here. You can see what I'm doing. This color is so good too. They're so pigmented. I always say that wrong. But it is like, it blends like a dream. Like, did you just see that? I'm obsessed. Alright, so here I think I'm going to try this one right here. It is like so pretty. And I'm going to put it kind of the center-ish, but you're going to kind of see where I'm putting it. I'm just going to put it like on the center like this. Because I decided I'm not doing a cut crease, by the way. I just don't really like cut crease. I think it's like, I don't know, I just don't really like it that much. So I'm just going to put it right here. Ooh, oh my gosh, can you see it? That is pretty. A little bit of Fix Plus, just because I wanna. And I'm just going to add that again and make it a little bit. Oh, yep, there we go. I'm going to go back to this darker color right here, just on the out part right here. Just kind of make it a little bit darker on the sides here. I don't want to use black. I just want it to be kind of darker over here. Just adding just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend it again right here, just to make sure everything is blended. Alright, taking the black, just a very little bit, I'm just going to take it up here and just at this part right here. Then taking that same brown color right here, I'm just going to put that underneath, under here as well. Alright, and then taking this eyeliner, this is Marc Jacob. This is just the black one. I'm just going to put it under, like basically in my eye, which it's not that bad. Alright, and then putting a little bit of mascara. This is from Makeup Forever. Just giving myself some mascara. And then for lashes, these are always my all-time. These are Addiction from Hypnotic, I think is what it's called. Hip Hop Anonymous. Just kidding. So I'm just going to put these bad boys on and I'll be right back. It is from Kevin Aucoin. This is amazing. Like, did you just see? Alright, for blush, I'm going to use the Tarte like holiday collection. It just looks like this. It is so cute. That's so cute. And I'm going to take my Sigma F40 right here on the center, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks. Just a very little bit. I don't like when I use too much. Too much. Alright, and then I'm going to go more neutral. This is from Huda Beauty. This is the color Trendsetter, I think it is. And I'm just going to put this on my lippies. Alright guys, so this is how the makeup came out. I really love how this came out. I just love this color in here. It just looks so good. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Let me know down below what other videos you would like me to see. It definitely helps. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.